absolutely. You see, Amita, as far as the Jammu division is concerned, as far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, they in fact reminded the voters about the development. On the other hand, Congress countered this by saying that there has been none in the last few years and there is unemployment, there is lack of job opportunities. So all of these issues are there. Let me go across and speak to a few more voters who are coming here. Ma'am, I would like to speak to you. You've come here to vote. Okay. So, Amita, I'll just go across and speak to more voters who have come here and try to understand what the local issues in fact are. मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगी, अब थोड़ी देर में वोट देने वाले हैं आप okay, so these are the polling agents, Amita, but as far as the local issues are concerned, we've been speaking to a lot of people and they've been telling us that unemployment in the region, lack of job opportunities, and also various political parties have also said that the theatre of militancy has shifted to Jammu division, and that is also one of the issues that was discussed during the campaign as well. So these are the issues that people are also talking about. But let me give you an update. Just a while back, Ghulam Nabi Azad was here and he addressed the media. He said that this is a historic election after Article 370, when we asked him who will be the kingmaker, because it is being said that independents and small parties like that of Ghulam Nabi Azad will be the kingmaker. He said that voters will be kingmaker this time. So this is as far as the Jammu division is concerned.
Of course.